Oh, hello there. If this is your first time at my channel, I want to say thank you for tuning in. Some introductions are needed here. So my name is Harris Tran with Keller Williams Realty here in Lubbock, Texas. The purpose of this video is to showcase a house that I'll be doing an open house for this Saturday. The property we're taking a look at here real quick today, just for you guys online, is going to be at 6312 88th Street here in Lubbock, Texas. It's 4 bedrooms, 4 baths. It's on a 0.24 acre lot. The square footage of the property is 3,277 square feet. Now the asking price for this property, it is $489,000. Now I can tell you more about the property, but who wants to hear me talk? I know what you're here for. So let's just get straight to the video and enjoy the show. Well, that ends our virtual tour of this wonderful home here at 6312 on 88th Street here in Lubbock, Texas. I would love to show you more, but I really don't really have the time. Best way to see more of this property is come on down here to Lubbock. Come down to my open house this weekend. I would be more than glad to show you around this property, answer any questions you have. And if you like this video, hit the like button. If you like what I'm doing, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any videos that I put out here. And as always, thanks for tuning in to my channel, Harris Realtor. And as always, I'll talk to you later. Bye.